Hello. Today we are going to see about the file concept, IO concept. As we are discussing we are in the topic of IO concept. Today you are going to see about it. Okay. Before going to that, just I would like to recollect some of the topics that we have covered in IO concept. The first one is um, let's take an example here. Go to file, go to new, and go to others. And in others, you can make as a Java project and click on next. So IO concept. Okay, and just going back to Explorer. I'm clicking on new. I'm going to class. Okay, the class is the first program and public static void main. Click on finish. Now, if you have see this one, uh, try catch exception ex dot print stack trace. Okay, this is the first basic point where we need to give about try catch block. Now I have a path. Let's take a path from my system. The path will be now going to my computer, going to some drive, D drive. In D drive, I'm going to SQL queries. Okay, let's take this as an SQL query, or not this one, but I would like to make it as software. Okay, in software, what I had, any file is there? No, okay, then I will go with the data science. I have a file with something like R programming. Okay, I have a file with like R programming. This file I would like to copy from one location to another location. So right click here and go to properties and go and make this is the program. Yeah. What I'm doing is I'm copying here. This is the path. The R programming I would like to copy from one location to another location. What can I do? The first step we have seen is since the path will be in the form of a string, source path equal to okay, this is defined. And where is this one? Yeah, right click, properties, copying again, going to Eclipse, paste it again, paste it. Okay, slash R programming. Okay, R programming file, R programming dot doc. POC. Okay, but you can observe here what is happening here. The single slash or backslash will not be allowed in the string path. Okay, no, in order to avoid this, you can see here invalid escape sequence. Valid ones are slash b slash t slash n slash something kind of thing, or we can make it as double slash. Since in my path I have only slash, it is not able to allow. Now I am making this one as double slash. Now, if you observe, double slash gonna to be solved in with replace of a single slash. Okay. Now going here, going down. Since this is a source path, now I'm going to take up as a in the form of a file. So I'm converting the string into the form of a file path because we are choosing a file as a path, right? So I'm going to convert this as a path. File file equal to new file of source path. Okay, fine. Okay, now Cool one. Next, input stream. Input stream equal to new file input stream. Why we are taking input stream? Uh, because the file is the one where it can only read everything, right? So just making a path. So from the file object, we can get the name, we can get the path, we can get some sort of things like length, size, everything. But if you want to read the content of everything and if you want to raise it, so this is the way you need to do it. Java IO stream. Okay. Now the same thing I'm going to take up another same one, like a string target equal to, what I will do is I will take up the same path, okay, and I will change the file name, 123. Okay. Now again the same one. I'm choosing the stream, file stream and input stream, new file of file 1 and input stream 1. Okay. But here we should not take the input stream because I need the output. IO operation every time will take in the form of read write, right? Read write. So now we have to take up read write, right? So read write, how it going to be? It gonna be uh, output stream. This can be a output stream. Output stream o stream, yeah, output stream like, and file output. I'm taking as output, file output stream. Yeah. Now I'm going to take up file 1. After this program, I'm going to let you know a simple scenario. Okay. Suppose if I want to get I'm going to show you the file list. I'm going to take a folder. In folder, I'm going to get the list of the files and folders, whatever it be. Okay. Then you can filter the same thing. That I will let you know step by step. Okay. Now what I'm going to take, int read, int read, while, okay, while I stream dot read off not equal to -1. Okay. Yeah. So if I stream means I'm calling this I stream, if this stream is not equal to null, what I'm making is, okay, o stream dot write off length, I'm passing a length, read. Why it is throwing error? Initial variable. Okay. Okay. Now fine. So after that, what we need to do, the basic type is, now I'm closing the if o stream not equal to null, o stream dot close off. Okay, simple if o stream, fine. Next I stream if I stream not equal to null, okay, equal to null, then what I'm doing is I stream dot close off. Okay, so this is a basic thing. Now just see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. Of course, we didn't keep any SOP, so we'll not get any SOP. Where's the console? So let me check the console. If you observe this one, nothing has happened here. SO completed. Okay, right click, run as Java application. I didn't find any. Let me view, show you console. Let's think my debug. I'm going to debug it. How to debug? How to debug using Java program? Suppose in this case I'm not getting anything, but I want to know whether program is getting started or not. So here you will have a point. Okay, if you click on a point where you want to start to debug, so I'm getting start from here. You can we can get any from any line of the program. Like you can do it here or you can do it here. Anything you can do it. Now right click, run as debug as. Sorry, something is happened here. Access transformation. What the hell? I have published static void man everything I had. Why am I getting this one? If you observe, I'm not getting Java. Why? We'll do one thing. I will create another project. That will be fine, I think. New project, and I will copy the program. Java project. Hello, classes, and finish. Open perspective. Now I'm going back here and right click here. Go to new and go to class and making a public static void main. Mm, dummy. Okay, let's make making a set dummy and click on finish. And right click here and go to run as no Java application. What I will do is I will copy the same program from here to here, so I can get and understand why it is get wrong. Run as Java application. Okay, now I'm going to run as a Java application. I'm not getting console still yet. Why? Um, why, man? Why? I think my console. Let's check here. Something happening here. Okay, probably this is a program. Okay, I don't know. I need to check some problem with my Eclipse for today. But this is a basic program which we discussed it in the last session. Now, here I would like to let you know about. Just a minute. Fine. Now you can try one more. One more thing is So what I will do is I will make a SOP here, SO, hello, right click as Java application. I'm not printing any console. Why? Okay. Going to first program here. I would like to continue something here like, okay, apart from this program, what I will do is I'm writing some down here. Now I have streamed something like, but I got a file. Now what I will do is I'm making this source. I'm just okay, making a only folder. I'm going to take only the folder. Now in this folder, I got the file. If file, okay, file is, I'm making if condition. If file is directory, if file is directory, going to make as directory list. In this directory list, I'm going to take up file dot, where this one list, go to list, file list. So when you will get you will get this file list. So from this you are going to get the whatever the directory here, you are going to get the list. But this is a string array. In order to get the string array everything, you can do one thing. For make a for loop. In for loop files, okay, colon file dot list of, okay. Now do like this and make a SOP SYSO and print files, okay, or you can make it this as a all files. You can make it as a all files, okay. For all files, file dot list of SOP all files. Fine. No, you will get all the print. Just you make it right because I can't do it. I can do it. What I will do is I will go to this program. I will run. I can run from the console. Okay, I think that will be fine. Where it is first program. Now go to properties. Go to D, going to command prompt. Going to cd, right click, enter. Still I have, so I can go in decode slash. Now Java C first program dot Java. Hope I should not get any. No, I got anything. Okay. Uh, the next one is Java first program. Access is denied. Why? File not found exception. I got it. So what I will do is I'll make this one primary. Going here. Of course, this so I'm just commenting here. This streaming everything I'm commenting here right now. Now what I will do is paste. Now again compiling. No, you see, you got everything right. You got whatever the list here, you got it. Okay. Probably you can do same thing in command prompt or you can do from Eclipse. This is the first point. Second point. Uh, Actually, there's some I need to do some update here from for my Eclipse. That's a problem why I'm not getting here. Uh, okay. Now I got every list. Now after what I can do, file dot. So actually what I have done here, if file is directory else. else I'm going to get the same list here. uh, File dot get path. Just I'm making a get path. Now I can also make this as a SOP. Why I'm doing this one? Because suppose if I have given a folder, if I have given a folder, yeah, if I have given a folder, um, so it has to go to the folder directory, and it has to manipulate whatever the operations that has given. Suppose if I given the path, if the given path is a file, it should not go to the directory, it should go only to the file path. So now if you take this one, R programming dot doc. Now if you observe this one, what happens? Let's see here. Um, okay, yeah. Now directory, okay, directory. Next, what I want file. Okay. Now again compiling CLS. What is this only file? Because I have only given the file, right? So this is going to else, and is going to file. Previously, if I previously what we have done, it is went to directory and directories happened and you got the list. Okay. Now I'm going back. Now I'm going back. What I'm doing is I got the list. From the list, I can do one more thing. That is, I want to filter. For example, let me go to the folder. So in this folder, you can observe project, R programming, or S4 lines, statistical inferences kind of thing. Okay. Now I'm going to give a name like lines. Okay, and I'm going to say that for example, I will say in Telugu, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న లిస్ట్ లో నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఫిల్టర్ చేయబోతున్నా. నాకు ఇది మొత్తం కాకుండా ఓన్లీ కంటైన్స్ ఉన్న ఆ, ఒక ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇస్తాను. నేను ఇంత ముందు కూడా చెప్పాను, ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఇస్తాను. ఆ ఫైల్ నేమ్ లో స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఎండ్ విత్ కంటైన్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. అలా మనకు ఒక ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా చేస్తాం అంటే, నాకేంటి ఫైల్స్ అన్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవ్వాలి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ సమ్ ఫిల్టర్ అన్నమాట. ఫిల్టర్ అంటే చాలా వస్తాయి యాక్చువల్లీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద ఫిల్టర్స్ విల్ బి ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ తో ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫైల్ నేమ్స్ తో ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫైల్ ఆథర్స్ తో ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు, ఫైల్ సైజ్ తో ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు, లాస్ట్ మోడిఫైడ్ డేట్ తో ఫిల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ ఆప్షనల్. ఇవన్నీ ఒకేసారి పెట్టి ఇవన్నీ ఒకేసారి ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తే ఏది సాటిస్ఫై అయితే అది అది ఆ ఫైల్ బయటకు వస్తుంది. లేదా మనం ఏది పెడితే దాని ప్రకారం సాటిస్ఫై ఆ ఫైల్ బయటికి రావాలి. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఏ మినిట్. Okay, now if you see, going here, okay, going to Eclipse, the same thing I'm going to do here. I got the list. Before going to list, what I'm doing is, again you have another method, that is file dot list filter name. Okay, this filter, how can I do it? I mean, I have done the basic thing. So we have a file filter concept here. File filter. file filter, something concept is doing. Okay. How, what is, how those, let me check this one. Here one point I'm missing. I will let you know that one. So, um, okay. So what I'm doing is file dot. Suppose, okay. Now what I will do, I got the all the list from this from this one. Again, I'm going to. This is a loop, right? Again, now I'm going to print out the last modified data of all the files. So so let's now in this session, in this recording session, just you can see all the methods what is going to do. And next in next class, I'm going to let you know the logical things, the real-time logical scenarios. All files dot last modified dot not no no last. Is there anything else? Content not. Okay. So from all files, I'm not getting the list. Suppose, okay, I will do here. Suppose I want to print all the SYS4 file dot. No, I want to be making. I want to make it a constructive. What I will do is, okay, fine. This is only the fine. This is only the way we can get it. File dot. mm, Last modified date. So we'll make as a last modified date SYS4. Okay, file dot last modified. You'll get last modified. So we'll see what last modified got. And again SYS4 file dot each file can be read. Okay, can read. So suppose if a given path can be readable, so just we are making here. Or can you see actually when coming to the file or a directory, will have three permission levels. One thing is read permission, write permission, execute permission. Suppose if I want to check whether a file has a read, write, execute permissions or not, so we can go up here, can execute, can read, or can write. It will throws a boolean operation like true or false. Okay, now right now I'm just making as a can read off. You will see it. Next, SYS4. Let me check file dot get absolute part, can write canonical path, get names, you will get list of files of canonical, delete, get total space, usable space, is absolute path. No. Do to path of. We'll see what happens to path of. Path means you'll get only the path. Right click here, go to run as, and go to Java application. Oh, sorry, here you'll not write. So I'm going to console. uh, Java program. Now see here, this is a directory, and it is the one where is a read write wait directory last modified date. What is the last modified date? 1509 something last mod with the timestamp 150900 with the time. This is a timestamp, and is the path. The file is the path. Yes, exactly. The file is a path. Okay. Um, and you got all the list of the files. So from here I can do anything else. All files. No, this is I can make as a file actually. Exactly. No, you will get all the files. No, no, I'm going to show you up each file, everyone, everything like sy s4, uh, all files dot. Now you can go it. You can see last modified for every file, each file. See, previously what I have done only for data science, but right now I would like to, I want to view file name and last modified date. Okay, now you can see this one. Now I'm just commenting this all these three things. Right click, run as Java application. Oh, sorry, yeah, CLS. First program, first program. Now you can see for each thing you got something. The file name and this the name. Okay. Now I'm going to modify instead of all file names. I'm just giving the dot names, get names. Okay. Plus plus all files dot get. Mm, not get last modified. Okay, now here I would like to make up another statement. What I can do is hidden. Just I'm just making as is whether it is any hidden or not. Okay, and plus what I will do is I will make one file as a hidden. Okay, what is our last file? ui.r.rprs. This is the file which I'm going to make. I will make as a hidden file, and this should be in the list, and it has to come up. We'll see whether it is works or not. And then all files dot length of. I'm making a size of all the files. Okay. Now, so go to folder. Go to this one. I'm making this one as a properties. Going to hidden. Okay. Now I'm going to here CLS uh, Java C program. Java first program. No, see, every file, all the files we got false here. This is a file name. Okay, just only file name, and this is last modified date. And this is the false. What is the false? False is nothing but just letting us know whether the file is hide or not. This is not an hide. And if you come to the last result, this is a file, this is a size, and this is a true. True means file is hidden because just I made it a hidden, right? So this is a hidden, and this is the length. Okay, you can find what are the operations you can see. You can just find out, and where you have, if you go to API, where can you observe all these things? You can observe all these things here. Where? Mm, in java.io file. So if you go to the package java.io, then you can observe each and everything like this one. Okay. Uh, what you will do is you just refer all the methods kind of thing. In next session, I'm going to make a one real-time logical kind of thing like how I would like to filter when the real-time scenario got how we need to think of and how we can implement here in Java IO concepts. And and in next session I'm also going to let you know, suppose I'm taking a directory right now. I have taken a directory, but if I want to transfer the directory from this location to another location, how we can migrate it, just the migration of the data. Okay, I will let you know. And if possible, I will show you with one of the protocol like FTP server, something is there which is not in our location. How can we do it? I will show you the same thing. Okay, thank you for today. Be practice. Thank you.